Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Treasure Fun. This process is straightforward, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your digital assets. Having your MetaMask ready and knowing how to access Treasure Fun are your first two steps. This connection is essential for participating in activities and managing your tokens within the platform, opening up a world of decentralized finance opportunities for you to explore. Once you are logged into Treasure Fun, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually prominent on the main page or in your profile settings. Clicking this will present you with several wallet choices. Select MetaMask. Your MetaMask wallet will then prompt you to approve the connection. Simply confirm this action, and your wallet should be successfully linked to Treasure Fun, typically within a few seconds. For a successful connection, it is crucial to ensure your MetaMask is set to the Polygon network, as Treasure Fun often operates on it. Always unlock your MetaMask wallet first. Double-check that you are on the legitimate Treasure Fun platform to avoid phishing scams. If you encounter any difficulties, a quick refresh of your browser or restarting the application can often resolve minor connection glitches, making the process much smoother. With your MetaMask wallet successfully connected, you are now ready to fully engage with Treasure Fun. You can often claim initial rewards, like 5,000 Tough tokens, and begin participating in the platform's unique games and features. This connection allows you to manage your digital assets, view your balances, and seamlessly interact with the Treasure Fun ecosystem. Enjoy exploring all the exciting opportunities available to you on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.